Among the three, which one is your favorite?
Jado. Jali. Jado.
Kani di ka this two jong kani ka film bagi. Bigla dalam camera. I love it. Phi to matan mamari tu am. This kong marina ni kong marina. So But anyway, I had a good time with you guys. Kani ka benta ka baar bat benta kani khidmat ni kan dan ka way ka video bagi ngin le bat kini kani ka longyeng jong I kentiu I marchnong but I kong marina ni. Hello kong marina.
Hello.
Welcome back. Benta ngin le ko ka video ba kata ka long bagi ngin roi hang ni ki pharai Russian ni but ngi pharai khasi kong marina.
I'm excited.
Nga khmilenti ba biru phini roi lang mo la radon ki perlok ki jongi ki benang Russia ki ba pe ini ka film oi kan film na ki ba pe ini ka video phila ban roi lang ye kini ki jingrwai ki ba kong marina sa ai ngi ti na ngi ka tu ni teli ki jingrwai da tim Russia but ngi pat ngin sa ai da ka jingrwai khasi ba mai I pat in roi tingin perkhat bana di jingrwai en sun ting siapa what do you think about it kong marina?
I think you're absolutely right.
Ti ya kay kabang ngali menta kadi ka benta jong collaboration series kabang ngali nang sini channel jong apat menta kani di ka set ke jong ki kani di ka kamera jong kai ka ba ki ju shoot video maman kapor but hang ni ngin shoot ini ke video pangas peni pi khniat hakan ko dur ki le hakan ko dur ki shoot ngi sekran shushu company ndala ada pini video mo I kentiu hang ni ila kham trim khniat tim Russia te mga ngate nga kompadyo sngo nga sios ng film tinre bandong bangan roi bangan banda snap Russia ban krani la jong ting ngapati kana so it's like Kasiman sings Russian
Kasiman sings a Russian song. It's Russian. Try your best with Russian accent.
Kasiman sings a Russian song. I am here with the sister Marina.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, now we're going for the song. Yes, let's do it. Ka jingrwai ka baning kong ka bangila yo bangin rwai menta ka bangin practice menta ka de ka jingrwai ka mapaw namba po Russia. We love Russia and we're expecting to sing properly and please call us for a concert if we sing it well. What silly koi belly drop silly goose. Yeah. Yes. This is how you sing Russian, my bro. Ni ai lai tli jingrwai amoy na tang ma phi ba chit kwai yu en sun ti hab ban ngap lu jingrwai pro khoi nang ta sarwai hab rwai la ban pech mdi barwai lendat tin re ni ngap ni ta jingrwai pe ba kan ti rong ni.
You guys get ready. You're next. Soon I will love. First song, I'm going to listen Amoyna or Amoyna. Okay, just listen. Amoyna, Bujang, Kikang.
And loud.
Amoyna, Buchang Haribujen Jane Nanchikombu Peri May Sajaki Kikang Nachipulere May Sajay Laikikong. Все. First is done. Oh, so nice.
Ti ka jingrwai ka baar.
Kani ka jirwai ka de sapang jong uwe uba unong song kulai uba ilam kulai men miet but my pajams kanyam popola vayam my pajams kanyam wala vayam.
Good, done.
Okay, and next song will be Tang Mapi by Kintu. You guys get ready, you're next. Na domen kon kisni. I'm going to straight to that. How did you call it?
Chorus.
Chorus, yeah. Tang hati man si kakeman, tang gabi lepedi ba jeden, tang happy ngasha nasken, dalanak ut bahor. Sure. I need break.
Te kini ke jingrwai ke balai bangin ruai ke di pangka kper. Te hakni kper kita arjat kiso.
อันนี้ก็จะวิ่งจริงๆก็บาฮิตบ่ก็บาคีชาร์ปบ่กีน้องเสถียรบัดก็ได้ one of the favorite song of the Russian I believe in Russia. How do you say 1 2 3 in Russian? Раз, два, три. Okay. Раз, два, три. Linka kalinka maya. Sabiya gdama linka maya. Entah ke jingrwai ke belas jong I win ki ultra legend nong rwai jongi nang ne na pori kasi bakata ke jingrwai jong iba. Oh no kisi ba ke dia jingba you?
You and soon.
Mentah ke jingrwai last jingrwai ya ada rwai la arteli ti masak wai jingrwai you and son. Jale jado. Okay, dah.
And the last song is Jale Jado. Jado is like a rice. Is there rice? Okay. This is the one, Jado. Okay. I'm going to listen. Is that one of the most popular? Right. Okay. One of the most popular Kasi songs. I love it. Talk about Jado. What can be better? Is that rap or what? In the middle. Come now.
Nama banga iya iya. What? Wah, balik pikiran dong pungta. Ngati.
It's it's like they're just talking and music on the background. Nice.
Sisian di bisa iya nga.
No.
Yes. Don't say no. Abayanga isu mandong ngapan iya nganang.
Okay. Which part do I want to? I think I want to sing the first part, right? Jado, pitang ka chupadara leo yo. Jali, oh jado, pitres nag pi yo. Jali, jado, pitang shu ang la yo. Jali, jado, pitang shu ang la yo. Okay. I'm ready to sing. Why are you laughing?
Because it was actually good.
Yeah.
Oh, ready. Jali, jado, pitang shu ang la yo. Jali, oh jado, pitang la pandan yo. So. Yes!
That was good.
Thank you.
Yes, someone was good.
So what do you think about the songs?
I found it, even though a lot of people are saying that Kasi really easy language and they think that it's like really easy to learn, but it's a bit challenging when I need to sing it fast and a lot of words and one after another, and I'm like, I feel so lost. But yeah, I love the beat, and it's like, so if I wouldn't have to sit on the scotch, probably I would already dance. Yeah, I love it.
So among the three, which one is your favorite?
Jado. Because I love Jado. No, I love Kintu's song as well a lot. You know, it's like more modern but it's I don't know. It's difficult to say, but I like Kintu's song a lot. But it's just different kind of songs. So
The hit of today's song is
Jali Jado.
the name of this singer-songwriter is Yuan Sun. He's everybody's favorite.
Oh.
And his song is like the party song everywhere you go.
So, yeah.
Everybody here in the Khasi Janta Hills knows about him. We grew up with this song. So picnics and weddings and everything. Yes, Yuan Sun. Yes, Yuan Sun. Kung semua VIP nya lu besang lu bekut ngilai dah lu berokhat kita ki jeng ya persang jengi bani Rwai Russia bani Rwai Khasi komrinya la hangni la Rwai Khasi. How was the Khasi songs?
Now I want to go for a picnic and dance on a picnic. Now, I've heard so much about this, how people are dancing in the end. Yuan Sun, спасибо. Russian.
Yes, kung tu ni mentan yang kumno, henry yang bal mentan dalam picnic in sesat beda kejirai Yuan Sun, tuan la best falat. Tengah try lada liba Yuan Sun ipek yang ni ke video. Kulisibun ba kejirai kejong pi bahit ba. But ngiring lai enjoy hak ni. We are expecting more content from these guys. Ngidang ikni show ki ba compare pela. Nomor kini let's say kini singi ke banwan ni ki benai ke banwan ki nang lam show ini ki jaga boper. But la pipet ya kadi ke video ni ke channel ke jonga like dan subscribe ke channel ke jong kiru. Te but kini ki dei ka way ke mau amane na sedang kadi ke channel ke ba let's say kadi beningkong tambangan ni bakan kiu ba kan kiu stat ba te bat kani
Yang
bro
you blade.
yes
Subscriber bro kubleshibon.
oh yeah an announcement I forgot. So the main video please watch on Kong Marina and Bakentiu channel. So these guys have a YouTube channel, yes of course, and lebih ko apan page itu ke video ke bangi kita shoot pentas ni page hapo ke channel ke jongki ya ke jingrwai Khasi Kong Marina ke jingrwai Russia lagi. Спасибо. Dah.